Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I invite you to join me on this amazing journey. The place we will explore today is the vibrant place El Malvarros in Valencia, Spain. We will depict the different attractions that have made this spot into one of the most popular destinations in Barcelona. So don't miss out and hit that like button. And if you've got enough time, leave your comment below and share your favorite place and why. We will begin our tour from the beach itself. The sight of its white sand stretching along the sparkling waters and meeting with the horizon will make your heart skip a beat. The area has a number of recreational activities to explore, such as windsurfing and kayaking, as well as beach volleyball, paddleboard, and snorkeling. But the greatest gem here isn't the beach itself. The shops, illustrious restaurants, and nightclubs that line up the boardwalk fill Playa del Malvarros with a booming atmosphere and vibrant air. Take a stroll and immerse yourself in the marvels you find along the boardwalk. From famous Catalan cuisines to food trucks and ice cream parlors, there is something here for everyone. The lively streets of the city center are a short walk away. Step into the lanes and let your curiosity loose. You won't have to try hard to find yourself embraced within the city's legendary history, illuminated with twinkling lanterns and complemented by towering cathedrals in the skyline. So if you like this video, please click like and let me know in the comments below your favorite place to visit and why. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I hope you enjoyed this tour and that you'll visit soon. Adios.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.